Hey, I'm Steve. Check out my DJI RC2 controller bike mount. I picked up this bike mount because I now have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and my old mount did not work with the new Mini 4 Pro. So check this out. It is a new mount, works perfectly. I've shown you everything unboxed, and on the underside of the controller you can see those two little screw holes. You're going to screw that mounting plate right there, super easy. The small screws just finger tighten. Now you just screw the ball mount. It's a 1/4 inch mounting screw, standard tripod. Just go ahead and put that onto the plate. Here's my bike and where I'll be mounting it. The big reason why I like this mount is just simple, and it works. So easy to mount to your handlebar. The ball mount allows you freedom of movement to mount your controller however you like. Here's the finished product. It's on there very secure. Here's an extra feature I like. That hole right there on the plate allows you to attach a lanyard, so if it should somehow come off, your controller is safe. I really like this bike mount for the DJI RC2 controller. I think you will too. So if you're watching my video, I hope you found it helpful.